Flawless, glowing skin doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag or hours spent in a spa chair. Imagine having professional grade skincare right at home in just a few minutes once a week. That's exactly what Sonicsmooth Pro Plus promises. It's the ultimate at-home dermaplaning tool that effortlessly removes peach fuzz, exfoliates dead skin, and gives you a radiant, smooth complexion without the pain or hassle. Let's dive into how this revolutionary device is transforming skincare routines for over 1 million happy users and why it might just be the perfect addition to your beauty regimen. What is Sonicsmooth Pro? Sonicsmooth Pro Plus is a 2-in-1 dermaplaning tool that uses professional-grade technology to gently exfoliate dead skin and remove peach fuzz, giving you smoother, brighter skin with every use. Powered by Clear Glow Sonic technology and equipped with diamond-tipped precision heads, it's the same technology trusted in med spa treatments, now available for use at home. Unlike other dermaplaning methods that might irritate or cause damage to the skin, Sonicsmooth Pro Plus is designed to provide a painless, safe, and effective solution for removing fine hairs, dead skin cells, and promoting better skin health. This device is dermatologist-approved and clinically proven, making it the #1 at-home dermaplaning tool on the market today.
How does Sonicsmooth Pro Plus work?
The magic behind Sonicsmooth Pro Plus lies in its combination of sonic technology and diamond-coated tips. The device emits 15,000 sonic movements per minute, which gently lift and remove the layer of dead skin cells and peach fuzz that can accumulate on your face over time. These sonic pulses help break down impurities without damaging your skin, leaving your face feeling smooth, fresh, and rejuvenated. It's all thanks to the diamond-tipped heads that ensure precision and safety, providing you with the same professional results you'd expect from a med spa, minus the costly visits. The Clear Glow LED light guides your movements, ensuring that no spots are missed and giving you full control over the process. All you need to do is glide the tool across your face and let the sonic-powered exfoliation do the rest. Unlike traditional dermaplaning methods or waxing, Sonicsmooth Pro Plus doesn't cause irritation, redness, or inflammation. It's safe for all skin types and gentle enough to use once a week. And the best part? You'll see instant results after just one use. Features and benefits of Sonicsmooth Pro Plus. Let's break down the reasons why Sonicsmooth Pro Plus is so highly regarded. Fast and painless, in just a few minutes you'll have smoother, clearer skin, no pain, no downtime, and no hassle. Professional-grade technology, 15,000 sonic pulses per minute combined with diamond-tipped heads, ensure precise, safe exfoliation, removes peach fuzz, get rid of unwanted facial hair without the irritation or stubble that shaving leaves behind. Improves skin texture, removes dead skin cells, promoting collagen production and giving your skin a smoother, youthful look. Clear Glow LED Precision Light guarantees flawless precision and helps ensure you don't miss a spot. Hypoallergenic. The device is designed for all skin types, ensuring safe, irritation-free dermaplaning. Dermatologist-approved, trusted by skin professionals, the Sonicsmooth Pro Plus clinically proven to improve skin texture and smoothness. Saves money. Why spend hundreds of dollars on monthly dermaplaning treatments when you can do it yourself at home for a fraction of the cost? How to use Sonicsmooth Pro? Using Sonicsmooth Pro was as easy as one. Cleanse and dry your face. Start with a clean, dry face to ensure maximum effectiveness. Glide the device across your skin. Gently move the Sonicsmooth Pro tool in small circular motions across your face. The diamond-tipped heads will remove peach fuzz and exfoliate your skin effortlessly. Enjoy your smooth, glowing skin. After a few minutes, you'll see an instant glow with smoother skin and a flawless makeup application to follow. It's simple, fast, and safe. Just 15 minutes a week is all it takes to give your skin the attention it deserves. Sonicsmooth Pro Plus and cons. Let's break it down. The pros? Instant results. You'll notice smoother, softer skin after just one use. Non-invasive. Unlike waxing or chemical peels, Sonicsmooth Pro Plus doesn't irritate or damage your skin. Precise and safe. With diamond tips and Clear Glow LED light, you can confidently perform dermaplaning at home. Perfect for sensitive skin. It's gentle enough for everyone, including those with more sensitive skin types. Easy to use, it's a simple, effortless addition to your skincare routine. No mess, no extra products needed. Saves you money, skip the expensive spa visits, and achieve professional results at home. The condos. If you're expecting instant dramatic changes like a facelift, this isn't it. Sonicsmooth Pro Plus is designed for maintenance and enhancing your natural skin, not for deep cosmetic transformations. Adjusting to the tool, some users may take a day or two to get used to the sensation of dermaplaning with a tool like this. Not for heavy-duty hair removal. If you're looking for something that will remove thicker facial hair, this tool is more for fine peach fuzz. Price and where to buy. Compared to professional dermaplaning treatments at the spa, Sonicsmooth Pro Plus offers a significantly more affordable option for long-lasting, high-quality results. Here's a breakdown of the current offer. Buy one at $137. Buy two, get one 50% off. Two best deal. Buy three, get two free. Three $44. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, and every purchase comes with free shipping, ensuring you get the best deal without extra costs. Plus, the 30-day money-back guarantee means that if you're not completely satisfied, you can return the product with no questions asked. To buy your Sonicsmooth Pro Plus and take advantage of this limited time deal, head to the official website. It's the only place you'll get this device at a discount, along with the full warranty and customer support. Conclusion. If you're looking for an easy, effective, and professional grade way to achieve smooth, glowing skin at home, Sonicsmooth Pro Plus is the answer. It removes peach fuzz, exfoliates dead skin, and improves skin texture in just minutes a week, all without the pain or hassle of traditional treatments. With its safe, non-invasive design, diamond-tipped heads, and clear glow LED light, it's the go-to solution for effortless dermaplaning. Say goodbye to expensive spa visits and hello to smoother skin, all for a fraction of the price. Grab your Sonicsmooth Pro Plus today and enjoy the confidence that comes with a flawless, radiant complexion. You deserve it.